The good news is got over 100 subscribers now. Thank you everybody who subscribed. That I begged and pleaded, and people, you guys did it on your own. That's fantastic too, really. So the good news is, yeah, we got those viewers, and we got enough viewer hours to get back on the monetization wagon. So I originally monetized my channel so that you guys wouldn't have to ever see any commercials. I'm not gonna make any money off it. It's just you know, it's not gonna help grow my channel if you have to watch a commercial every time. So I wanted to suppress that. And then YouTube changed their rules and stuff recently, and so I guess I wasn't monetized anymore. And now I am again. So my channel's under review, and they're gonna look for any like use of copyrighted material and probably take that stuff down. And just recently I found I could put videos out a lot faster if I used a little bit of music clips instead of recording everything myself. It was getting through the filters just fine. And I thought that, everybody talks about you can do up to 30 seconds of something and use it, that's fine. But not according to YouTube and not according to internet search. So probably gonna start losing some of my videos. I guess one thing to my advantage is my channel is still pretty small, and there's a lot of people doing it with more viewers, and so they're gonna probably enforce them first. Oh shoot, I don't have my radar detector. I'll let this guy push through the radar traps here. Thanks, buddy. He's a man. Bravely moving through it. I'm going 83, so these guys are just hauling. Check this guy out. Woo! Smoke on the back. Unlisted, so I think you can watch it if you got the original notification. And it's still up there, but I'm gonna put it up again, like I said, with original recording, and I might be able to squeeze a few more seconds of material out, make it a little bit more entertainment dense. And then coming up on 420 this year, gonna have a real special video. Been working on it since 420 last year. That's when it got recorded. But it took me a while to start messing with it, to misconstrue everything appropriately, how I like to. So I figured it'd be better to just release it right on schedule this year. So I probably should get back into that. I got hand surgery coming up in a week or so, and a shoulder injection coming up. I got a lot of nasty stuff happening to my body in the next couple weeks. So that will affect driving and ability to play and record guitar and drums and stuff. We'll see what happens. I'm going to take 2 days off of work. One for surgery, so I can't do much with that. And then the other one, I'll have an actual day off work to recover from surgery. I don't know what I'm going to do with myself with all that free time. I'll probably sneak some work in. kind of videos do you guys like better? The like edited down track session, just a few minutes with highlights, or like probably not the full sessions. I mean, I know the hardcore guys like that. I like that. My dad likes that. But we're probably like 3 out of the 5 people in the world. Or do you like the ones that take me forever, heavily edited, like Mission Improbable? Or stuff like this, drive around talking. I got some really cool outdoor footage, camping with my brother. Mount St. Helens area. That would be beautiful to put together. So many things I want to do, and just keep working instead. If I could get my software company to the point where it is managing itself, and I can have time off to work on videos all day and just play music and videos, and maybe get into photography at my appointment. So